for joining us on the news update on Enyimba TV. My name is Esther Chima. Mosquito-borne viruses are making the rounds across the country, sometimes with devastating effects. Some mosquito bites are harmless, but others can carry dangerous diseases such as malaria. Residents of Aba are reeling under the scourge of mosquito bites as the city's overflowing drainages and poor sanitation create a breeding ground for disease-carrying insects. The city, notorious for its big, resilient mosquito species, has seen a significant surge in mosquito-borne illnesses, including malaria, yellow fever, and dengue fever. Mrs. Nkechi Uzo, a resident of Ohobiam Street, said the mosquitoes in Aba are relentless and the itching is unbearable. She said her children are always falling ill. Mr. Emmanuel Onyekwere, a trader at the Araria International Market, added that they are forced to sleep with mosquito nets, but even those aren't effective against the stubborn mosquitoes. Dr. Chika Odemena, a medical entomologist at the Abia State University Teaching Hospital, attributed the problem to the city's poor waste management and clogged drainages. The overflowing drainages and littered streets provide an ideal habitat for these insects. Over 50% of Aba residents have reported mosquito bites in the past month. Malaria cases have also increased by 30% in the last quarter. As Aba struggles to contain the mosquito menace, residents remain vigilant, seeking relief from the relentless bites and the diseases they bring. Snake bite poisoning is affecting poor people, especially those in the rural communities. Each year, nearly 5.4 million people are bitten by snakes worldwide, resulting in over 80,000 deaths and leaving 3 times that number of survivors with disabilities. This is a serious global health issue with its massive impact on rural areas where venomous snakes are prevalent, leading to deaths, disabilities, and untold suffering. We spoke to Dr. Sokipri Makoko, a seasoned primary healthcare practitioner in Aba, and he provides insight into the behavior and habitats of snakes, explaining that snakes live in a cool area, like around the AC or the WC. He also expressed that not every bite leads to death. On what to do immediately after a snake bite, Dr. Akoko advises to wash with soap and water, cover with a cloth, and head to the hospital for treatment. He warned that victims should not tie the affected area in order not to risk amputation. Abia State Independent Electoral Commission (APSEC) has officially released its timetable for local government elections in the state. This was disclosed by the chairman of the commission, Professor George Chima, during an interaction with journalists and party representatives at the commission's headquarters in Umuahia. He announced the date for the election as Saturday, 2nd of November 2024, while promising to discharge his duties with impartiality. Professor Chima urged all stakeholders to ensure that contestants and political parties adhere to the rules, promoting credible and effective governance. After months of intense politicking in Edo State, the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) has declared Monday Okpebholo of the All Progressives Congress (APC) as the winner of the Saturday, September 21, 2024 governorship election in the South State. Okpebholo secured 291,667 votes to defeat Asue Igadalo of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), who got 247,274 votes, and Olumide Akpata of the Labour Party, who came a distant third in the race with 22,763 votes. 14 other candidates contested the seat but got less than the 3 frontline candidates. INEC's returning officer for the poll, Professor Farouk Kuka, who is the Vice-Chancellor of the Federal University of Technology, Minna, in Niger State, declared the winner of the poll after a series of recesses. The APC candidate cleared over 10 of the 18 local government areas, leaving the PDP candidate with marginal victory in the other local councils. The APC gained control in 2 of the 3 battleground senatorial districts in the state. The ruling All Progressives Congress (APC) in Imo State won Saturday's elections for all 305 councillorship and 27 chairmanship positions in the state's 27 local government areas. The Imo State Independent Electoral Commission, ISEC, declared the results of the election at its collection center located at its headquarters in Owerri. The ASEC chairman, Charles Ejiogo, declared the results without announcing the figures polled by the parties participating in the exercise. He said all the details of the results will be made available accordingly to the 19 registered political parties. And now to business. PZ Cousins PLC, the parent company of PZ Cousins Nigeria, has concluded plans to sell its Africa subsidiaries, citing the depreciation of the naira as a major reason. Reviewing the company's results for the year ended 31 May 2024, Jonathan Meyers, PZ Cousins Chief Executive Officer, said Nigerians are facing unprecedented inflation and economic difficulties, adding that the naira depreciation has significantly impacted the company's financials. In the operational year results, PZ Cousins said it is considering either partial or full sale, noting that the sale will reduce the company's exposure to naira fluctuations. According to the consumer goods manufacturer, the board has received multiple interest in the sale of its African business. And now sports. Nigerian clubs' coefficient in Africa is under threat again, as the country will have only one representative in the group stage of CAF inter-club competitions this season. 9-time Nigerian champions Enyimba Football Club of Aba qualified for the group stage of this season's CAF Confederation Cup after a 3-2 penalty shootout win over Itoile de Filante of Burkina Faso in Uyo on Sunday. But the story was different for reigning Nigerian Premier League champion Enugu Rangers, who failed to make the group stage of the CAF Champions. Rangers lost 3-2 on aggregate to Angolan club Sagrada Esperança of Angola as their return to the continent after a decade was cut short in Luanda. Enyimba's win didn't come without a drama either, as they needed penalties to advance to the group stage of the Confederation Cup despite playing the return leg at home. Both legs of the game ended goalless. Nigeria had 4 clubs in the preliminary round of CAF competition, but President Federation Cup winners El Kanemi Warriors and Reno Stars failed to advance beyond the first round. For Nigeria to present 4 clubs next season, Enyimba will have to reach the quarterfinals of the Confederation Cup at least. Now that's our package of the news for now. Please join us for more updates in our subsequent bulletins. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to this channel on YouTube. Click on the notification bell to receive alerts when new videos are uploaded. Thanks for watching. My name is Esther Chima. Do have for yourself a wonderful day.